Students, today we are going to learn about plants and their types. First, we will see about green and non-green plants. Green is the most commonly seen color of plants. Green plants. These are some examples for green plants like paddy plants and grass. These types of plants contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Green plants such as paddy plants, grass and ferns need chlorophyll to prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Such plants are called autotrophs. Second one, we are going to see about non-green plants. The name itself you can understand. That is, the color of the plant is not in green color. These types of plants do not have chlorophyll. Thus, they cannot prepare their own food. Non-green plants such as cascata, the Indian pipe plant and the beech drop generally grow on green plants and get their food from them. Such plants are called heterotrophs. Such plants are called heterotrophs. The other types of plants we can group according to the flowers. That is, now we are going to see about flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants, examples like hibiscus and sunflowers. These plants bear flowers, they most likely turn into fruits and seeds. New plants are produced from the seeds. So these plants and also like daisy, rose, mango and bougainvillea are some flowering plants. So these will come under flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. You can see the picture of some plants like moss, ferns. They oftenly grow on the mountain areas. So the name itself you can understand, non-flowering plants. They do not bear flowers. Mosses are very small plants that usually grow like a carpet on walls, rocks and tree trunks. Conifers are trees with needle-like leaves. They have needle-like leaves. Most non-flowering plants reproduce using a special structure called spores. Conifers like pine trees produce cones that contain seeds. You can observe this in the picture. Pine cones, they produce spores. So which is helpful to reproduce another tree. So thus we saw about flowering and non-flowering type of plants. Look at the given pictures, pine tree and rose plant. They have the stem, they can bear flowers. But see the leaves. For rose plant the leaves are flat, but for pine tree the leaves are needle. So thus leaf is not common among these plants. Students, in science workbook, do the worksheet page number 25. That is, you have to do S4.